face-off rages between a pride of lions and an army of killer bovine. It's the king of the jungle versus the herbivores. An epic battle unfolds in front of Jess Boone on a drive through Londolozi Game Reserve.
We'd seen the pride of lions hit a young buffalo and they managed to catch it.
The calf is mortally wounded, but the angry herd doesn't know that. They're poised for an attack.
One side of the herd had started to come back, which buffalo would do. What we hadn't seen was the other part of the herd coming in from the other side.
It's worth the effort to pull down a big animal like a buffalo, which is exceedingly strong, exceedingly aggressive, so it is a battle.
The lions are cornered. There's nowhere for them to hide.
One young lion, he'd been chased up a termite mound. He was sitting on the top, and the older buffalo were coming up from different angles. Ooh, 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 ooh. The whole car was going, this lion, he's dead.
One cat is surrounded, and escape seems impossible.
Ooh, 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 ooh. Go, go, go.
Against the odds, the cornered cat sees a gap and bolts for it.
What then happened was quite strange because the buffalo actually came to the carcass. The bulls carried on, although the lions weren't on it anymore, carried on flinging this carcass around and going at the carcass.
The old bulls aren't attacking the dead calf, but desperately trying to revive it. But the herd is too late. There's nothing more to be done. The prides risked life and limb to take on a buffalo army. They've survived a fearsome counterattack, and now they claim the prize.